What could possibly be more extraordinary than the panoramic view of a glacier lagoon? Going kayaking on one, of course. It's the perfect experience for adventurous travelers who want to get a closer look at these breathtaking Icelandic surroundings. We went kayaking on Heinabergslón in the southeast corner of Iceland. Few travelers know about this glacier lagoon, which makes it the perfect place to immerse yourself in serene Icelandic nature. Once you begin to paddle, you'll be blown away by the beauty of this place. Looking up, you'll see magnificent mountains, around you are countless icebergs, and ahead of you is a spectacular glacier tongue that originates from Vatnajökull, Europe's biggest glacier. You'll be paddling through these amazing surroundings at a leisurely pace with plenty of time for photos. There's even time for a stop where you get to step onto one of the icebergs in the lagoon. Your guide will equip you with microspikes and you'll go for a short stroll on the iceberg, from where you'll get an unforgettable view of the magnificent surroundings. The kayaks are very stable, so even beginners can enjoy this tour. And of course, you'll be accompanied by skillful guides who'll instruct you, lead the way, and make sure that you have a great time. Prepare for your adventure by wearing a woolen base layer, an insulating fleece layer, thick woolen socks, a beanie, and gloves. Upon arrival at the tour's meeting point, you'll be dressed in a dry suit and boots. Book this experience on guidetoiceland.is, where you'll find the biggest selection of tours, car rentals, accommodations, and even complete vacation packages for Iceland.